Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all doing awesome. In today's video, I'm going to show you the basics of how to play Free Fire from landing to winning your first match. When you open Free Fire, simply choose your game mode from right here, that is called Battle Royale, and you can choose any game mode you want. You can play Classic for regular matches, Ranked for competitive matches, or Quad for short team battles. For beginners, Classic is the best to start with. Then pick your landing spot carefully and simply try and less crowded area if you are new to the game, so that you won't be killed at the first time and you can have time to load weapons and armor safely. Avoid odd zones at first unless you are confident in your skills. Collect weapons, armors, medikits and backpacks as soon as you land. Prioritize a good gun and some healing items, and you can't forget grenades and the walls if available. Keep an eye on the shrinking safe zone. The zone always moves in on you, so always move towards the zone and inside the zone. If you stay outside the zone for long enough, you will die instantly. Always move towards it and avoid staying out in the open to survive longer, and always search for hard covers whenever you play. When you encounter enemies, aim for the head and use covers effectively. Use your skills and weapons wisely. The last person or team standing wins, that is the victory booyah. So make sure you stick to this guide and are confident in your skills, so that you will have higher chances of getting that booyah. And that's the beginner guide to playing Free Fire. If this video helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe and share with your squad. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.